So we start out today's video with this hair transformation. She has curly hair just past her shoulders and decides to switch it up with this trendy pixie haircuts. Beautifully done. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some hair transformations. So if you've been thinking of chopping off your hair, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone with long hair who decided to switch things up with this bob. Very nice. I love the tousled feather texture that the stylist created. Beautifully done. Next up, we see someone with curly shoulder-length hair. And it looks like the stylist did a nice little shaggy pixie bob cut. Very nice. This is a great option if you have curly hair and you are looking to go shorter. Then we see someone with blue shoulder length hair. And she switched it up with this pixie undercut. I love the way that this color looks. Wow, so pretty. Next up, we see someone with shoulder-length hair. Oh, looks like she's going much shorter with a pixie style. Wow, very nice curly pixie faded cuts. I like the fact that she embraced her curly hair. Very nice. And then we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. It looks like she switched things up with a bob. Oh, wow. Beautiful bottleneck style bangs to frame out the face. Oh, this is gorgeous. All right, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration by checking out these videos with me today. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.